Our today's topic is integrals. Integrals. Class 12th. Everybody knows integrals is the opposite of differentiation. It means differentiation means to break in multiple. Integration means to join multiples in one. Let's take an example from graph. Maybe it is a curve. It has multiple small parts. Like its length is dx. Dx length. For integration, we take a integration of dx to find its club or total area. Everybody, it is seeable? Club and total area. So everybody knows differentiation of basically x की power n is n x की power n minus 1, and opposite integration is also known as anti-differentiation. What is anti-differentiation? Means opposite of differentiation. We differentiate something, and if we integrate it, so we get a initial value by integration. So differentiation is anti-integral, and integration is anti-differentiation. So next is some basic formulas of integration. Some basic formulas. We connect integration differentiation to easily learn. Everybody knows d by dx of x की power n is n x की power n minus 1. This is differentiation, and its opposite integration is n x की power n minus 1. Integration is x की power n. But how it is come? Let's take an example as integration of x की power n. So basic formula is in differentiation the power is come at front, but in integration it comes in denominator. Like x की power n plus 1 upon में n plus 1. But in integration there is some constant value with it, that is plus c. This is known as integration constant. Firstly we learn definite indefinite integrals. In this we take c as a constant, but in definite integral, when we take a limit of integration, we solve the value of c also. Okay, let's change the slide. So basic formula, sin x का इंटीग्रेशन इज cos x. ओके, और sin x का इंटीग्रेशन इज cos x, और नो it's minus cos x plus c, because d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. और साइन एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस कॉस एक्स. ओके, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कॉस एक्स इज प्लस साइन एक्स प्लस सी, और डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ साइन एक्स इज एवरीबडी नोज कॉस एक्स. ओके, अच्छा, डी बाई डी एक्स डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ टेन एक्स इज सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स. सो अपोजिट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेक्स स्क्वायर एक्स इज टेन एक्स प्लस सी. ओके, differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. So integration of cosec x cot x is minus cosec x plus c. Differentiation of cot x is minus cos x square x plus cos x square x. So integration of cos x square x is minus cot x plus c. So it is easy to relate between integration and differentiation. Everybody have easily connect them. Okay, take an example question for to learn easily. Example question. Integration of टू एक्स अपॉन में वन प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर डी एक्स. हाँ, क्या होगा इसका, देखिए